Diagnosis was lymphoma, which is a kind of a cancer. But the good thing that time was that the doctor immediately also said that this is treatable. So it's not fatal, it's treatable. So that gave some amount of relief. The word cancer, it gives you jitters, because right from childhood you have been hearing about cancer, and the general impression is that this is fatal. Cancer means death. So therefore that one statement of doctor that this is treatable, that gave a fair amount of relief. But the thought that this is going to be a 7-8 months ordeal, that was still difficult to digest.
अपने तुमको लगता है कि तुम्हारा बॉडी का पार्ट खुद का ही ना कुछ खराब हो रहा है? It's not that your son. I have also gone through all this. मेरे को भी ब्रेस्ट कैंसर जब हुआ था, प्रणय को जब हुआ तो मेरे सामने अपना सीन नहीं आया, कभी भी नहीं आया. I never recollected my days of chemo. And जब ट्रीटमेंट सेटल हो गया था, his reports were showing progress, तो फिर थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो गए थे. तो I used to feel sad for him actually, कितना चलने फिरने घूमने वाला लड़के को ऐसे हो गया, बन गया. At this age boys are so young, इसका शादी करने का वो सब छोड़ के बीमारी में पड़ गया इतनी बड़ी. His whole life career, that I feel now also. What happened when he was in the ICU, they were not allowing me to meet him. And whenever I used to somehow manage to go in, he used to shout at me कि आप कहाँ हो, आप आ क्यों नहीं रहे हो, आप मेरे को क्यों छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे. And but they were not allowing me to go. And बाहर ICU के बाहर I was in 3 nights I slept outside.
Did the doctors give you any advice कि भाई ठीक है patient को तो ये कीमोथेरेपी होगी, ये इलाज होगा, ये whatever ये चलेगा, but you as caregivers need to look after yourself like this? Did they tell you anything?
No.
Like, you know, this is strenuous.
No, total focus was on the patient.
Only the patient.
You need to have nutrition, you need to have...
Never. अपना you forget yourself also. बिल्कुल मेरे legs में भी pain रहती है, I can't walk, but that time that pain also vanished, everything.
She is a person who is very comfortable in her house. She doesn't want to venture out socializing, तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Even moving out of the house she doesn't want. How she got that strength and courage? Within 1 week I was just looking at her कि कहाँ से इसकी strength आ गई है. That she forgot about herself and 24 hours.
At the time when, you know, she was so busy and you were handling stuff outside, who were you talking to?
I would talk to few people who understand.
I suppose you need somebody to be able to talk to.
Yes, I feel so. Not to everybody,
Sure.
but to some who you are close to and they understand
Yeah.
and they give you a right advice.
Yeah. Do you think there was anything in terms of your spiritual, you know, just your spiritual leanings that helped you?
That time इतना नहीं होते. Spirituality वगैरह भी थोड़ा आदमी वो भी back seat ले लेती है. You know, that time I could not even sit and pray, and मेरा concentration खत्म हो गया था.
Not with me. I am heavily into spirituality, so I have done a lot of self-study, self-debate.
So how did that help you?
It helped me because, see, whatever has happened, it has to pass. This is just another incident. So just go through it with whatever best you can do. Or unless you have a control over it. So there is no control. So accept and do your best.
I did not want to share with anyone. It was, I somehow felt like it's my problem, I want to solve it myself. I didn't, and at that time I just could not think of it. लोग फ़ोन करके क्या हाल है तुम्हारे बेटे का, वो सब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे, कैसा है प्रणय.
Now most often people don't think about it, they just go and connect, and then they talk all kind of start sharing instances their similar disease happened, you know, and he died. So
The sensitivity is not
no,
there.
it's not there. Just because I have to be here and I have to talk with them, so
कुछ भी
बोलते लोग. It was strong before also. That strength reflected in this period. Yes, I mean we saw that strength, the family bonding, but it was there.